Hello, my people. This is very crypto FX, right? Today we are going to do top-down analysis, so make sure you keep contact with me, right? Yeah, this is very crypto FX. Welcome back, guys. So, guys, let's move to the charts and do more about the top-down analysis. Please keep contact with me, guys. So right now we are on the chart. Okay. So we are going to do the analysis on the USD, the Canadian versus USD, right? So on the daily chart, you see you have to scale in to find the key point level. You see, I've already indicated. So the market is in downtrend, but let's reset the chart view. You see, it's giving us uptrend, but we are working on the daily chart. We are working on the daily chart. So we see the market, once I'll see the pullback, it means the market is in downtrend, right? Because we are working on the daily. So we'll move to the 5 hour time frame and let's see. The 5 hour time frame, you have to indicate the order block. I mostly indicate the order blocks. That's the most important part for me. So you see I've indicated here too is the order block. You see here too is order block, order block, order block, order block. So here it is. So let's scale into the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. So the 1 hour time frame, we see the other block you have here. You see the markets was in a downtrend and pull back and hit the other block. You see, then it's really bounced here. So the market was doing high low, high low. So for here, you see, for you to know that the market is really going to continue, it means you have to use the support and the resistance too. And you have to use the change of character and a change of structure. You see here. So here is the change of structure here. Where I have indicate HH, it means high, but you can draw but you can draw the box here to define the support and resistance. You get me right? So when 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 the market pull down and test in this zone, the blue zone, you see the box I've drawn right now, rates engulfing candlestick chart. So for one thing, you have to notice that for the confirmation is that you have to see the green candle body, the buy pressure, at least with a two strong candle body, buy pressure here. You see here, you see there is low, you see there is low there. That's why we are not taking this as the support, you see, and it's really just drop down all over. You see here I've also drawn a box here. Yes, resistance, so we are waiting for support so that we can take the trade. And here our confirmation hit because we have a strong engulfing candle body here. You see it came with the it came with obviously it came with a long red candle body with short with a long candle body, right? A long by candle body with a short candle body. But you see the pressure here, the short one, you see the pressure. If we are having two candle body here, you see, yeah, the red candle body here, I having two. You see, so this one is strong. Then it pulls down way here. You see, so this is what I was looking for: the support and retest here. You see, and drop. So by here to you can, like, we are not using the SM, the SMC, right? Smart money concept. We are not using SMC here. So I won't talk about it for now. But you see the market is have dropped downwards. You see, downwards. And here to I took a trade here by because I've always said we are not going to talk about the SMC, the smart money concept here. I know the reason I took the trade here, right? But here we just placed the change of character here and break of structure here. So when the market just break here, it means the market is going to be in the reversal point, right? Yeah, we're going to be in the reversal point. So for now, I took trade here because I know the reason why I took trade here. I took trade here because we are working on this one is the SMC smart money concept gives an true confirmation that when the markets have a fair value gap here, then it's pull back into the fair value gap here, which means you're supposed to take trade, right? So that's it. So I think we are done with the top-down analysis here. So you can scale in, scale in, scale in. I don't want it to just indicate the change of structure and the break of structure. Like it will make the chart too big. That's why I didn't create places. So I think you guys know what I'm trying to say, right? So thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you guys for staying with me.